Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Angelica on Dress to Impress from the Rugrats. So I just use these bangs in this color FSC 351, and also this hair, this spiky hair. I'm sure you'll find it. It's just very hard for me to find. There we go. Same color. And then I also use the two bows in 4306 C68, position the Y at 0.44 and the Z at 0.4. Then for the outfit, I'm just going to go here and I'm going to use, where is it? This top here. And actually, I'm just going to make it smooth and I'm just going to color it orange, like a reddish orange, maybe like this. And then I'm going to layer, okay, I'm going to layer this on first in that same purple, this one. Then I'm just going to layer on some more to like cover that up a little bit. Maybe like this top here, like that. And then she has like this like ballet kind of skirt. So I'm just going to use this one in that same purple. Then for the like stockings, I'm just going to use this first. And then I don't think we have that like pattern like blue and orange. I mean, this is purple and orange. So I think I might do blue. Like this blue. Actually, it's blue and green. What am I saying? Let me see if I can. I mean, hold on. I'm trying something here. I'm trying to cook. Okay, this isn't blue enough. What am I doing? There we go. And then maybe like blue and green here. I don't know. I can't obviously find like blue and green spots. So I'm just going to do this, which is fine. And I'm also going to turn off feet for both of them. Like that. And then I'm going to get these shoes here. And I'm actually going to enable socks. Oh, that doesn't show up. Well, I was hoping it'd show up because I want it to be orange and purple. But let's just color that purple. And then let's do purple again. Wait, actually let's do white. And then purple. And then let's just make the laces orange. But a little bit red like this. And voila, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.